The demise of the RX-8 11 years ago has left Mazda without a rotary-powered car. And no, we don't consider the MX-30 e-Skyactiv REV as being a true rotary model, as the engine in that one is a generator that juices up the battery pack, which sends electrons to the electric motor. 3 years after pulling the plug on the RX-8, Mazda stunned the car world with the RX Vision concept. Presented to the world at the Tokyo Motor Show in 2015, the sexy study featured a rotary engine, and it was believed to preview a production model. Sadly, it never materialized, so the Japanese company still doesn't have a real sports model with a rotary engine in its portfolio. Mazda does not seem to be done with the idea of a rotary-powered sports model, as only recently they unveiled the Vision SP at the Japan Mobility Show. This concept is said to feature a two-rotor rotary EV system. It can run on hydrogen and other carbon-neutral fuels and generates a combined 365 horsepower, 370 PS/272 kW. The car marque also said that the Vision SP can be shrunk down to the same size as the MX-5. So, does this mean the future of the iconic Roadster is green and rotary? Perhaps, as it would be a good way to ensure that the moniker stays alive in the zero-emission era. Mind you, giving it the Vision SP's powertrain would make it significantly heavier, so Mazda needs to walk the thin line between power and weight if it wants to build on the MX-5's success. Now, while the Japanese car manufacturer doesn't seem to have made up its mind when it comes to the future of the rotary engine/motor and potentially implementing it into an upcoming RX, as pretty much everything stands, the rendering world cannot have enough of this subject. As a result, another virtual concept recently hit the web, and it came from Futurismo_Collective on Instagram. Unofficially named the Mazda RX-X, it appears to have been based on the RX Vision concept. It has a similar footprint and overall shape, though it boasts more curves in all the right places. The face is on the aggressive side, and it features a pair of minimalist LED headlamps. The profile was reimagined and has some sharp lines. It has a double bubble roof, side cameras, and concave wheels, finished in red, although a different hue compared to the RX Vision. The so-called RX-X is one sexy beast regardless of what it hides under that long hood. It looks like a real Mazda-branded supercar, and we hope the company's designers see this CGI and decide to use it as inspiration for a potentially new RX model. Hey, one can only hope, right?